Deep in the heart of a forgotten forest, they say it's cursed, a place where the devil himself once made a bargain.
What do you think of that? That was all done by AI. But how, what, and why? Well, let me tell you, as you know, I have recently started this channel called Jesus Stories Now. It is quite successful, and the content is really easy to make. But now I thought, there are people that like Jesus, and then there are also people that like the devil. So that is the perfect new niche to start making shorts about devil stories. So yeah, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video we are going to create devil stories with AI that will go viral. Are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Okay. First of all, we'll head over to ChatGPT and ask the following. I want to make a YouTube channel that has short devil stories. Please give me the narration script for my voiceover. It should not be longer than 1 minute. And also, please give me all the image prompts needed to illustrate the entire video. I will use those prompts to generate images with my AI image generator. And no worries, all the prompts will be in the video description. Okay, that is amazing. So let's copy this. Now we are going to an amazing free-to-use AI text-to-speech generator called 11 Labs. Now first go to Voices and then to Library. Here in the Voice Library, you can find the perfect narrator for our devil stories. Just use the search bar, for example, to find a dark and eerie voice. I found this one by typing bad guy. Now click on Add and then on Use. Now here, in the text-to-speech section, we only need to paste the script from ChatGPT. And be sure to check if the script from ChatGPT does not contain things that do not belong there, like this. And then press Generate.
Deep in the heart of a forgotten forest, there's a village where no birds sing and no shadows fall.
That sounds amazing! Let's download it. Now we are going to copy the image prompts and generate the images with it in Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an amazing free-to-use AI image generator where you get 150 credits daily. Just amazing. Now simply add your prompt here and then go to the left and make sure that you change the aspect ratio to 9:16 to make the image vertical and press Generate. Now it will take like 30 seconds and your image will be ready. Just amazing. I will download all of the images I like. Now just generate all the rest and be sure to download them to your computer. Next, we are going to use CapCut as our video editing software. Drag and drop the 11 Labs audio and the images from Leonardo AI in the playlist. Now you need to put the images in the right order according to the narration script. If you need more images to illustrate your story, simply ask ChatGPT for more prompts and generate the images again in Leonardo AI. For the sake of this tutorial, I will simply cut corners and make the video shorter. Now we are going to add a super cool motion effect to bring the images to life. Go to Effects and then to Motion. Now just drag the two different 3D zoom effects onto the images, like this. The processing will take some time, and then you will get something like this. I really love that. Next up, we are going to add some captions, since a lot of people are watching YouTube Shorts on mute. So yeah, that is a must to add some captions. Go to Upload Captions and press Generate. Let's put the captions a bit higher like this. Now go to the right and choose a nice template. Now we are going to add some nice background music. Simply use the YouTube audio library, and there you can find plenty of fitting music. I will use the search bar and type dark. Now download it and add it to CapCut. Resize it and adjust the volume if necessary. Matter of fact, I am going to bump up the volume of the narration. It was too quiet. And I'm going to change some images real quick. If you want, you can add a watermark like this. Last but not least, we are going to add some filter to make the video look even better. When you are done, export your video in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own devil story shorts and go viral. Take advantage of this new and exciting niche. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Deep in the heart of a forgotten forest, they say it's cursed, a place where the devil himself once made a bargain. One cold night, a traveler stumbled into the village, seeking warmth. The villagers warned him, leave before midnight. The devil collects his debts when the clock strikes 12. Ignoring their warnings, the traveler stayed. At midnight, the air grew heavy. A chilling wind swept through the village, and with it came a figure cloaked in darkness.